Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. So if we have the prices, links, and SKUs, you know the drill guys. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So make sure you capture and take a screenshot and check with your CAs. So I'm inviting you guys to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing founders. Click the little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags launching April-May 2024, including preview of the women's pre-fall 2024 plus by the pool 2024 collections and many more. Prices, SKU features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Happy shopping! Alright, let us start first with the women's pre-fall 2024 collection launching May 17th, 2024. First, we have this very beautiful camera box priced at €3,300. The material's leather with silver hardware with S-lock closure, and what I am loving about this camera box is the very beautiful chain that it comes with. Then guys, how cute is this one? We have the Scott monogram price at €2,700. Remember the Scott box like the plexiglass that Louis Vuitton is making? Now they're doing it in the classic monogram version. So it would come with vachetta top handle with vachetta crossbody strap. It would come with S-lock and would come with the very beautiful interior as well, like this. And then we have the tail seat size Pico, price at €1,900. We have SKU here. The material is classic monogram canvas with reverse monogram canvas with black leather trims, black leather top handle, and black leather strap. It would come with S-lock closure and gold hardware as well. Guys, please take note that Pico is a micro size. Next, we have the Kuan BB, price at €3,200. We have SKU here, made of very beautiful and soft leather material, and the color is pearl. It has the contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come with gold hardware. It would come with leather strap and acrylic chain strap as well. Then we have the Petite Mall. First, we have price at €7,000. This one is still part of the women's pre-fall 2024 collection. Color, they are calling it the Inflated John. Comes with silver hardware with detachable leather strap, and I love that it comes with detachable leather top handle as well. Another Petite Mall on the women's pre-fall 2024. Same material as the camera box that we have discussed earlier. Price is €5,400. So it comes with this very beautiful unique Louis Vuitton silver chain. It would come with silver hardware and the mallet touch interior as well. Then we have the Atlantis MM, price at €3,000. We have SKU here. So this is like a quiet luxury type of Atlantis, because we are going to notice that the main material is in very beautiful and it looks luxurious, dark or noir hard leather, and the Louis Vuitton logo is very minimal. It would come with monogram bag tag with chain as well. And then next collection would be the By the Pool 2024. So let us start first with the on-the-go size MM. The By the Pool collection would be launching May 23rd, 2024. We have SKU here, and the price is €3,200. So the material of this one is raffia with leather trims. Still, next on the By the Pool 2024 collection, we have the Louis Vuitton loop bag, price at €2,400 or $2,920. The main material of this one is denim. Color is sky denim. It would come with vachetta leather trims with detachable leather strap with gold hardware. So we could expect perhaps when the By the Pool that they are going to release more denim collection like this. Then, still part of the By the Pool 2024, we have the Capucines size BB, priced at 5,900 euro or 6,750 USD. The main material is rattan with leather trims, and it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, which will be launching May 23rd, 2024. Next, another collection. So they're calling this one the Croco Resort collection. The price of this Capucines baby is 16,000 euro. And the reason for this one, you are going to see that aside from the rattan material of the body of the Capucines, the flap and the handle is made of crocodile finish. Launching May 1st, 2024. It would come in this very beautiful brown colorway as well. So you're going to notice that the top handle, the flap, and the Louis Vuitton logo are all made of the croc leather finish. It would come with silver hardware, and of course it would come with the leather strap as well. Launching May 1st, 2024. Next colorway on the Croco Resort collection, still the Capucines BB. The colorway is dark blue. The price of this one is the same, 16,000 euros. So definitely if you are in love with your crocodile or exotic leather finish and you love a mixture of the rattan, at least you have different colorway options just like this very beautiful dark blue colorway. Next colorway, we have it in white. So the colorway of this one, I am so in love with how beautiful is the white exotic or croc leather finish against the very pristine rattan material. So the interior of this one is also silver, and this white rather, and it would come with silver hardware like this. Another collection, so this is called the Mixed Croco collection. First, we have the Capucines BB, price is 23,400. So the reason why this is more expensive, the main material is leather, then it would come with the croc leather flap with top handle, and I love the flower embellishment in front. And then we have a new on the Go Voyage, price is 3,200 euro or 3,950 USD. This has already launched April 12, 2024. So the difference of this one, number one, is the flap on the back, so you could insert it on your luggage like this. It would come with detachable shoulder strap like this. As you can see, it comes with the O-ring. And then we have the trunks. So we have the coffret. Price of this one is 6,500 euro. The main material is classic monogram canvas with reverse mono with black leather trims. The hardware is in gold, and it would come with the black suede interior as we are seeing like this. And then we have the very beautiful handle trunk in monogram, price at 7,500 euro. This one would be launching June 26, 2024. The main material is monogram canvas, and it would come with vachetta leather trims with the vachetta top handle with leather strap. Then, last but not the least, we have the Shoebox PM launching June 26. The price of this one is 12,000 euro. We have SKU here. The main material is the monogram canvas. It would come with leather trims, and it would come with gold hardware as well. Then we have couple new design from the men's collection. So first, we have the Monogram Messenger PM. This would be launching May 2024. The price is 1,800 euro. The main material is monogram canvas with black leather trims, black hardware, detachable and adjustable leather strap. And last but not the least, we have the PLAT 24H. Price is 2,800 euro. We have SKU here. It is made of the Monogram Eclipse canvas, but it would come with black leather trims, black top handle with luggage tag as well, and it would come with a longer shoulder strap. There, so guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a smiley with heart eyes emoji. I would really appreciate it. So guys, among the beautiful bags of Louis Vuitton that would be up and coming, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!